Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Oohu. This is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. Now, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. I got this sample from the virus total database, which is fully run and controlled by Google. So anyway, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Oohu ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware is called like that, Oohu, because it encrypts the files and appends this Oohu extension additionally to the file names. So because of that, it is impossible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may just waste the funds. So do not pay the ransom, do not waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and this is the way the software looks like initially. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software would first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating this system. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature. It helps to detect and to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. You can always upgrade to the premium, and you can request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Now, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium. This way your data would always be protected. Now, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.